Cryptocurrency is more than just Bitcoin. Today, let's talk about the unique properties of crypto that make it so powerful in the digital world. First, decentralization. Unlike traditional banks, cryptocurrencies are not controlled by a single authority. Instead, they run on blockchain technology, making them more transparent and less prone to corruption. Second, security crypto uses advanced cryptography, which makes transactions extremely safe and hard to hack. Third, borderless transactions. You can send and receive money anywhere in the world, anytime, with lower fees compared to banks. That's honestly a huge game changer, right? Fourth, limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a fixed supply. This makes them resistant to inflation, unlike regular fiat currency. So yeah, that's a pretty big deal for long-term value. So crypto isn't just digital money, it's a revolution in finance. Decentralized, secure, global, and limited in supply. Do you think crypto will replace traditional money in the future? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights.